everyone. Welcome back to another round of phonics. And again, this is day 4. We are focused on the R controlled, that says controlled, vowel spelled A-R. Every single time you see the A-R here, it's going to say R. What's it going to say?
R.
What's it going to say? R. Boys and girls, it is day 4, so we're going to use our blending strategies to blend these words together. All right, blending the syllables together. Ready? Let's go ahead and get started. Line 1. Ready? 3. Teachers. 2. 1.
Starfish. Cartwheel.
And
landmark.
Okay, we read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Starfish.
Cartwheel. There you go. And landmark. So taking a look at line 1, what is something that you notice is happening in all the words? Thumb to your chest, teachers, when you're ready. Miss T, I saw your thumb up first.
They all have the R sound spelled A-R.
Okay, anything else that you may have noticed? Ms. Hernandez?
These are 2-syllable words.
Yes, these are 2-syllable words. You nailed that. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to line 2. Read it back, teachers. 3, 2, 1.
Cargo.
Carpet. And carpenter. Ooh, that was a mouthful on that one. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Cargo.
Carpet. And carpenter. What is something that you notice on these words? Thumb to your chest, Miss Yakimowicz.
I noticed that they're the car family, C-A-R.
Beautiful. We have the car family. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I see that the word carpenter has a at the end spelled E-R.
Yes, we have been working with that in past lessons. Yes, the E-R spell or the sound of spelled E-R. Anything else? Where is, oh yeah, Miss T.
They're all, the R sound is all in the beginning of the word and they're more than one syllable.
Yes, so it's a multisyllabic word for each one. And then you identified that the R sound is in the initial part of the word, the beginning. Let's jump to line 3. 3, 2, 1.
Harvest.
Harness.
Hardly. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Harvest.
Harness.
Hardly. All right, teachers, when you're ready, go ahead and give me a thumb to your chest. Lets me know that you have found something in there. Miss Yakimowicz, go for it.
I noticed that it's the Har family, H-A-R. Har.
Dang, you're on it. You are on it today. Actually, you're on it every day. So let's just put that in there. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I see the A-R spelling in the first syllable of each word.
Yes, beautiful. MST?
I noticed they're all 2-syllable words.
2-syllable. All right, now let's take a look at that sentence. And boys and girls, go ahead and hit the pause if you need more think time. And what you're looking for is to show me the number of fingers that you, of a number of words that you found that have the R spelled A-R. When you're ready, show me your fingers. Oh, 3? Okay, let's check it. Ms. Rosales could be wrong here. Go ahead, Miss T. What's the first word?
Starfish.
Starfish. Next word, Miss Yakimowicz?
Cartwheel.
Cartwheel. And Ms. Hernandez?
Landmark.
Yes, Ms. Rosales did that on purpose so that you can call her out on her wrong mistake there. And now that we know what the words are, teachers, can you model by rereading that fluently, the words only? Here we go. Oops.
Starfish.
Cartwheel.
Landmark.
Okay, students, you already heard it. Starfish, cartwheel, landmark. So the sentence should flow now. Ready, teachers? Model. 3, 2, 1.
The starfish did a cartwheel on a landmark.
Yes, the starfish did a cartwheel on the landmark. And Miss Yakimowicz, can you reread that?
The starfish did a cartwheel on a landmark.
Yes, and Miss T, scoop it.
The starfish did a cartwheel on a landmark.
And it's no longer decoding time. Ms. Hernandez, what time is it?
It's encoding time.
Encoding time. So we need to go ahead and grab that whiteboard, grab our markers. And boys and girls, there are 3 columns. Ms. Rosales ran out of room. Bam.
Oh.
I know, but don't be scared, kids. We got this. All right, we're gonna start with 2 syllable, and then go to 3. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. Boys and girls, hit that pause button, grab what you need, and get started with us. All right, here we go, teachers. First word is Arctic. What's the word?
Arctic.
And I accentuated that C. We don't hear it on when we really say it. Here we go. Arctic. 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 Show me. Beautiful. And you remember to capitalize. I signaled that. Thank you so much. Next word is barber. What's the word?
Barber.
Barber. Show me. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, next word is garland. What's the word?
Garland.
Land. Land. Show me garland. Wonderful, wonderful. That's 3 for 3. Next word is market. What's the word?
Market.
Market. Show me. Excellent job. Column 1 complete. Let's go to column 2. Next word is partner. What's the word?
Partner.
Show me partner. Sorry about that. I got stuck. Yes, you got it right. Here we go. Next word is scarlet. And scarlet is a color and a name. Scarlet. Scar. Let. Scarlet. Show me. Wonderful, wonderful. And if it was a name, you needed to have put a capital S. Wonderful. All right, let's go with the next one. I'll give you the choice. You can go ahead and put it capitalized or keep it lowercase. The word is target. What's the word?
Target.
Get. Target. Show me.
My favorite place.
Wow.
Me too. Love Target.
Next
I
word.
know some of you
We're
like
not
Target.
being sponsored by Target.
Oh yeah, that's true. All right, here we go. Varnish. What's the word? Varnish. Var. Varnish. Show me. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, flipping to that next set. Here we go. Next set. The word is department. What's the word? Department. Part. Ment. Department. Show me. Wow. Awesome sauce. Here we go. Next word is disregard.
Oh.
Disregard. Guard. Disregard. Show me. Wow. Yes. Yes. All right. Next word. The word is leotard. Leotard. Lee. O. Ard. Tard. Ard. Leotard. Show me. Wonderful, wonderful. Last word there. The word is barbecue. What's the word? Barbecue. 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 Show me.
I think this is how you spell it.
Oh,
Yes.
I spelled it
Yes.
wrong.
I wasn't sure if it was a Q or a C.
This one, I'm saying a C. Thank you. It is spelled in many ways. Let's go ahead and jump over to our sentence here. Remember, boys and girls, if you need that scaffold, go ahead and hit the pause button. Write this in. Teachers, when you're ready, I will start my sentence. Oh, here we go. The sentence is, the barber, the barber had a garland. What's the word? Garland. Land. Garland. From, guess where?
Target.
Target. Target. Show me. And yes, we're not sponsoring anything here. Yes. Double pat yourselves on the back. Job well done, boys and girls. Great job trying. And remember, stay tuned for our last day tomorrow for another round of R. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.